Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Today I want to show you our Monarch 1500 pocket spring model. This bed is part of our handcrafted range, lovingly made in our workshops and designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence. The mattress itself is a medium feel and has 1500 of our identity individual pocket springs, all working independently from each other, giving an excellent spinal support as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed and supported by layers of soft, hypoallergenic fillings hand-laid onto the spring unit. The mattress surface is made from our unique soft-touch knitted fabric, allowing it to fully encapsulate your body and is soft and breathable to ensure a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. Mattress borders are side-stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh.